Don't say my name. If they find out we know each other, they'll kill us both.
I thought you drowned.
When I came up, and the boat was gone, and I thought you were too. And I was floating out there for days when this ship, they found me, and they saved me.
Is that why you're helping them?
I don't have a choice.
I need to warn my friends.
You said they were dead.
They're not that easy to kill.
Stay quiet. Follow me. Come on.
Are we making a swim for it?
No, they'd shoot us the second we hit the water. You said your friends, they have one of the radios from the ship, right?
Yeah. You look like you know what you're doing there.
In the past year, I've learned a lot of things I never expected to.
You and me both.
They won't respond unless they hear your voice.
Shao, 你能听到我吗? Slade, come on, can you hear me? Can you hear?
听到了. Thank God you're alive.
Yeah, I'm not afraid of. What are you doing?
There's only two of them. They haven't moved from the location of the mortar attack.
What the hell is going on here?
You just confirmed that your friends are alive, which means they're still a threat. You know, until we kill them.
Let's see how good you are at removing a bullet from your head.
Wait! He could still be useful.
She's right. Once we get rid of his friends, we'll need him to lead us to the graves.
Sometimes I wonder who gives the orders here. You or your little boozer.
You're going back to the island?